If you want your iPhone to autofill passwords whenever you have them saved onto your iPhone, or maybe even verification codes, I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Oh, let me go back to the beginning so I can show you. Tap on General towards the bottom, scroll down, and tap on Autofill and Passwords. The first thing you're going to do at the top is make sure to turn on autofill and passwords, and you're going to choose where you want to autofill from. In most cases, people want to turn on the Passwords app on their iPhone, but you can also choose to have passkeys and passwords from Google Chrome or the Google app. I would also highly recommend turning on Suggest Strong Passwords so that other people won't be able to guess it. And then also delete after use. This is when you get those verification codes. If you get them in messages or email, I would highly recommend after you use them, automatically delete them so no one else sees them. Next, you can tap on Setup Codes In, and again, choose what you want to use. In most cases, people want to use the Passwords app. Now, after we've done that, let's hop out here and check the actual passwords that you will autofill. So swipe down, and then we're going to just type in the Passwords app and tap on Passwords. Use your Face ID to unlock, and here you'll be able to see all of the passwords, the passkeys, Wi-Fi, as well as verification codes, all there in the Passwords app of your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.